if you have not started cleaning and zhuzhing up the house for people or guests that are coming over, family and friends that may be coming over, here are 3 areas I would suggest that you kind of work on. Your bathroom, your living areas, and your kitchen. If you have guests staying over, you may want to kind of focus on your bedroom. But in this instance, it's for things where people are just coming in, they're stopping by, having some good food, fellowship, and they're leaving. So in your kitchen, some of the things that you want to kind of focus on are the front of your appliances. That's where all those fingerprints are, all of the things, all of your fingerprints of all of your appliances, the front of all of your appliances, also your countertops, giving them a good wipe down, up under things if you can lift things as well, kind of organizing things to make them look neat and tidy. Maybe you store your spices and stuff on your countertop, lifting those up, wiping them, giving them a good wipe off underneath them, and kind of organizing them. And I like to do them when I'm cleaning people's houses. I actually like to do them by height, so I'll do them by height, turn the labels out so they look nice and neat. Another thing that you may want to focus on, I'm always working from top to bottom, left to right. Getting those cobwebs that might be in the corner as well. Another thing that you may want to focus on in your kitchen is giving your sink a good wipe down. So kind of right before they come, wiping down the sink as well, wiping the faucets down, giving them a good shine, and behind. That's where I see a lot of people forget, wiping behind your faucet, because that's where a lot of built up, and around it as well. Of course, sweeping it out and giving it a good mop as well. In your bathroom, some of the things that you want to focus on are your sinks. Sinks are important because people are going to be coming in, washing their hands. So your faucet, once again, around the faucets. Your counters, if you store things on your counters, once again, use that same system of making things look neat and tidy, organizing, putting the labels out. Just a few little touches as well. Your toilet, touching that from top to bottom, wiping the top. A lot of people don't lift the toilet seats. Making sure you lift the toilet seat, wiping that, the rim. And then at the bottom of the toilet is where I see a lot of things around the base of it, and then in the front of it as well. Your living room area, you want to focus on going from top to bottom, left to right. So top to bottom, you're dusting the corners, any ceiling fans, and the light fixtures, things like that. And kind of, if you have like a little Swiffer, a lot of times what I like to do, even if you don't have a Swiffer, you can literally use a broom. Sometimes I do that too, if I'm being a little lazy when I'm cleaning. And go around your baseboards. And kind of getting some, if it's dust on there, if it's not built up, kind of lightly giving those a dust too, because those are areas that we sometimes forget as well. Dusting any surfaces in your living room area, fluffing up your pillows, your pillow couches, any throws that you have in there, and giving your area a good once over or vacuum as well. And when you vacuum, not just going in one direction, going in a few this way and then maybe that way as well, and that's going to ensure that you kind of get a lot of the dirt up that we sometimes have built up as well. So another thing in both your kitchen and maybe your bathroom and your living room area is clutter. Sometimes people have clutter, or what we consider clutter, because you're living, right? And so you have things that you're setting out, but like in your kitchen area or living room area, if you have mail that's kind of piled up, grab a basket, maybe from Walmart, Dollar General, anywhere. Grab a basket, or if you have a basket around, a decorative basket or even a plain basket, and I like the little wicker kind of baskets, put all of that in there. You can either hide it under like your coffee table, or in some closets, or in a room that you're not going to be using. That's a little trick to kind of get a quick clean for you. So let me know if any of these tips work for you. Would love to know if you tried any of them. Have a great Monday, guys. Bye.